Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to Life with Sid. Hey, how y'all been? How y'all doing? It's been a while. It's been a while and I'm glad to be back. I took a little hiatus. I've been doing my little thing on Instagram with these reels. I've been having fun with them, but I started uploading them on YouTube Shorts, so make sure you go check them out. But I'm back, guys. How have y'all been? What's up, my citizens? I missed y'all so much. And I know I have a few new citizens who really don't know me yet because you guys subscribe. And I've been, like I said, I've been on a little hiatus. So my name is Sydney White and I love luxury goods and I do lifestyle. I love to travel and I just love documenting just my life, period. Point blank, period. I'm back, guys, and I'm back with a unboxing. Yes, Valentine's Day came a little bit early. I had a small little vlog. I think I might have linked it on my shorts, and I asked you guys to help me pick out a Chanel bag. Yes, I went to the Chanel store in the boutique, and the new collection was in. I think it's 22S, maybe. I could be wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. I know my Chanel lovers, they be on it. But yeah, I think it's from the 22S. I know it's like spring, summer 2023, but it was between the two colors and I cannot choose. But before we get into it, don't forget, if you're new here and you love videos like this, luxury, fashion hauls, lifestyle videos, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time I upload a video, you will be first to be notified and become official citizen. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram because, like I said, we are lit and popping over there on Instagram. Yes, I am. So follow me right here. Here's the handle. So guys, it's been a while since I had a Chanel bag. I think I haven't purchased anything from Chanel since I got my Chanel 19, I think 2 years ago. I have been on a hunt for a fuchsia pink cocoa handle, and when it came out, I think it came out 22, like no, not spring, summer. I'm not sure. I'm gonna put a picture right here. I did not like try to source it out. I don't have a Chanel SA. I only have two Chanel bags. This would be my third Chanel bag. I don't have like a Chanel SA. I need to like build a strong relationship with a Chanel SA. And I know you only get that basically by purchasing Chanel. So like my first Chanel bag I bought in Miami, the Bal Harbour Mall. Like I did like a pre-order because they wasn't available at the time, and they gave me a call once it came in and I did a purchase over the phone. But you have to be a previous customer. I think I purchased like sneakers from the Chanel boutique or something like that. So I was in the system because they won't ship to you if you're not in the system. So I was already in the system for a previous purchase, I think some Chanel sneakers, and then they shipped it to me. But now I just was told that Bal Harbour don't ship out anymore, like online. You probably have to be like a VIP customer or something. I was trying to source the rain boots, but I slept on those and I didn't get them. So I have to maybe try next year if they come back out with a pair of rain boots. So I slept on a fuchsia pink bag. I seen to my unboxing. I think I actually seen Brown Girl Lux. I'm gonna link her channel right here. I seen she had the option to buy one, and I think she went with a classic bag, or she might have went with just a black cocoa handle. But that's where I first seen it, and I was like, oh, I need that bag. And I did not reach out. I got distracted. I didn't reach out to the SA who sold me the 19. I didn't reach out to her, and long story short, I missed it. So I've been watching it on Pre-Love Market. I think it's a little high. I know Chanel bags can be very expensive on a Pre-Love Market, and I'm afraid to purchase off the Pre-Love Market. So anyway, so now fast forward till a couple weeks ago, me and Babe was out and we were shopping, and we shopped for my Valentine's Day gift, and we went into Chanel store, and they had 2 bags. Like I said, I have a small little vlog. You can go watch that if you want, then come back and finish this unboxing. But they had a pink cocoa handle, but it's not the fuchsia pink that I really wanted. It was more like, I can't say, it wasn't mauve. It had like red hues to me. Like on camera, it looked at red, but it was actually pink. So I had to choose between that one or a black one, and I let you guys pick. So let me just unbox it and we will talk a little bit more about it. Y'all know I gotta get my famous thumbnail because I haven't done a video in so long. So let me get a quick thumbnail. Okay. So I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys and for my Instagrammers. Yes, because I have to post it on both. So I'll be right back with the unboxing. So here is the box. I did the official ribbon cutting on Instagram, so you can go check that out. But I'll put a slide here or here so you can see me do the full unboxing. But I put it back in here for you guys. Let's get it open. It comes in a magnetic box, black and white box. And it's full of tissue paper. Has Chanel written all over the tissue paper. You probably can't see it. And then it always comes with like the Chanel sticker. And then here is the dust bag. And here she is. And this is like her booklet. So this one was brand new. This handle and the strap was wrapped. So I took some of it off on my other video. And it still has the plastic here. It still has like the price tag here. And the style number. This is 23P. And here, if you want to see like the style numbers and codes. So I love it. Has the back pocket like the classic Chanel. It's top handle. And I don't know, I think this is the medium, because I think they have a medium and then one smaller than this, and it might be a micro if I'm not mistaken. But this is the medium. Perfect size for me, and I'm in love with it. It's like, this is definitely like a classy bag. All Chanel bags are super classy, if you know, to be honest. All Chanel bags are like super duper classy. And y'all know me, I'm more of a street style kind of girl, where I wear a lot of sneakers. I don't wear heels as much. But the older I get, I see my style is evolving a little bit. Like I might wear like my Jordan 1s, and maybe my off-white 4s, but then a lot of my sneakers are mostly Yeezys and like track runners, things like that I think you can dress up. Like right now I have on a Skims maxi dress with a crop top over top of it, and I have like a classic pair of Chanel high tops, which I think is kind of dressy, and it goes perfect with this bag. Let's get the paper off of here. And I used to be a little intimidated by Chanel. Like I said, I thought it was more of a dressy type of bag. But now I feel like you can wear this with a pair of jeans and a pair of sneakers and be fine. I love the fact that they put the chain here on the cocoa handle. Before it was just all leather. Well, they make them with all different type of designs, but this year it came with this gold on here. And I feel like, to me, it makes it more edgy. It makes it more my style. I love the fact that you can take the long strap off, the shoulder strap. This I think is too short for crossbody. You can put little extenders you can probably purchase offline. And this is my first time opening it. I just want to see. And this is like with the gold hardware. I don't know if they consider it like vintage gold, but it is the gold hardware. I'm not ready to take the plastic off just yet. I'm not even going to probably carry her until Valentine's Day. When we go to dinner. Let's see. We can open her up. And it comes with the microfiber cloth, which I will keep and put back when I'm not using it. And it's just stuffed with tissue paper. And this bag reminds me so much of my YSL Lulu because it has the 3 compartments. The one in the front, then you have the zipper compartment, and then you have one in the back. And then you have a spot in the center like the regular classic bag where you can put like your lip gloss. And it's the burgundy in the inside like the classic flap. I love that as well. And then it has a zipper all the way in the back where you can put cash or whatever you want to put back there. Oh, this is caviar leather. You know, Chanel, some of their bags, what are the calfskin, are like super easy to scratch and things like that. Well, this one is a little more durable. I am going to order maybe a base shaper. I don't think I need to because this is like really structured with the feet at the bottom. But I think I'm just going to order like inserts because I don't want, you know, mess getting it. I don't know how you get like, it look like dust or crumbs in the bottom of your bags. I have no idea how that happens sometimes if you carry a bag a lot. And I think this is going to be my almost everyday bag, guys. I'm really feeling it. And now I'm like, Chanel is so expensive. I cannot get addicted to these bags like I was with Louis Vuitton. But I think I am. I think I'm no longer with T-Mobile. I'm with AT&T. Like, yes. So this is super cute. And I love it. I will get some mod shots for you guys. So that, you know, I'll do that. And I love the back pocket. I don't think a lot can fit in here. I have I have 2 iPhones. I have a 14 Pro and then I have a 13 Pro Max. I don't think neither one of them could fit in here. And another thing about Chanel, I don't know if I talked about this on my 19. I have to double check and see if my 19 have this. But when I was in there, you know how bags, it comes with the little card, the guarantee, your warranty and everything. Well, now they're microchipped. So like I had to register and they put the number in and all that like that, which I think is cool because you don't have to worry about keeping up with that, even though I keep all my cards inside of my bags. But that's just one less thing that I have to worry about being in my bag because it is microchipped and I love that. So yes, this is her. This is she. This is my new Chanel and I love her. She is so adorable. I cannot wait to rock her. Yes. Oh, wait a minute now. Look at this. Oh, we're going to have to talk about that. Oh, no. It's just a little kink. I got it. Just a little kink. Okay, I'm going to do a full inspection and get some mod shots. Okay, guys, that is it for this unboxing, and I'm so glad to be back, like I said, and I'm glad you guys are back to rock with me. And if you're new here, thanks for stopping by, and don't forget, before you leave, hit that subscribe button and bell notification so every time I upload a video, you will be notified and become official citizen. Yes, until next time, Sid signing off. Peace.